Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. What's up guys, what's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Or good night, you know. Yeah, wherever you are. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, welcome again to my YouTube channel. And you my good people, you my friend, you my good, you my, yeah man. Yeah, big vibe. The good video is here coming. Please make sure you watch the video till the end. Make sure you leave the sweet comment, guys. You know, a sweet comment always. Yeah, make the motivate someone, right? So kindly guys, let's move together, let's move together, let's move together, let's move together and enjoy, guys. You know, yeah, obvious, you know, yeah, I have come from home. Okay, today I could like to introduce myself from this point here. Jamaican Boy Africa from East Africa, from Kenya. Yeah, so from Nyabohanse village. Yeah, I'm here, Jamaican Boy. I'm welcoming you to watch this video till the end. The video is very amazing than you expected, guys. Yeah, so before we go, you know, today I'm going to bath in the dam, very dangerous dam, very danger and a dangerous dam, guys. So kindly, let's move there. Wow. Oh, let's start from back. Let's start from back home, guys. Yeah, from back home. Please make sure you watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing. Okay, thank you because you're going to watch. Subscribe if you are new in this channel, Jamaican Boy Africa. If you are new in this channel, Jamaican Boy Africa, please kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share. Yes, so I'm going to the dam. Yeah, to wash myself and everything will be okay. Others, they have already go and I'm on the way. Yeah, but let's go back home fast. Yeah, this is T9 and my mom. Yeah, doing the urembo, anamfumua nywele, guys. Yeah, amazing village life.
Unaona hii kama hii.
Unaona mbuche vile simecha.
Soja unaziosha.
Sasa mbuche hizo.
Siweke dai. Kwani dai siziko?
Iko wapi?
Mama, nataka tena.
Paka ipi niende Masaba kutafuta vitakataka ipi. Kwa kweli Masaba sitaki hata niwe naenda.
Kwa nini mama?
Sipendi.
Ba utaacha kwenda Masaba.
Na
ndio town zako. Ukitaka vitu vyote unavipata Masaba.
Mnanilete.
Ulisuka na nani?
Yule mama alikuwa na wasi.
Ile ambayo iko kwa majina.
Yule alikuwa na wasi.
Alikuwa ananani Masaba sasa. Anakamina hapa sasa hivi kwa majina.
Ukienda pale.
Yes, what's up, guys? I'm in my home here, in my compound, in our compound with the T9. Yeah, guys, it's a chilly morning. The weather is cool. The wind is blowing here and there from east to west. The weather is blowing, guys. Yeah, it means the weather is not very bad. Very bad. The weather is cool. It's okay. Yeah. The wind is blowing from I think east. I think east to west. East to west, guys. Yeah, as you can see, everything here is calm. The cloud is not there, guys. Yeah, it's very calm. From east to west, I think so. God, is from east to west. From east to west. Look. It's a yeah, guys. Look, even my flower here. It's very happy. My flower is happy here, guys. Yeah, because the day is very calm. Not calm. The wind is blowing from east to west, guys. Yeah, so look. Yeah, it's very wind, guys, and you know it's a chill morning. It's a morning hours. It's a morning hours, guys. Yeah, see how it's green. See how it's green. I see there in USA, the tree have turned to be yellow and red. Oh my God, what is happening? Yeah, but as you can see, guys, here in village is very green, very green. You know, here when there is no rain, the tree is not changing to red or yellow as I see there in the USA. No. There it's maintained. When it's dry, the tree is shed yellow, and it's not shed all the tree yellow. No, some. It shed some, and it fall down. When it's shed yellow, it's fall down. It's shed down. So here it's green, guys. Very green. Look. Look, guys, very green and amazing. Yeah, but you know, I love there in our plot there in USA. I see right now these days the tree have changed to be yellow and green. I don't know which color. I see even purple, even maroon. I say, guy, why the tree is changed, guys? Let me take a tour around, guys. Yeah, so you know, here when you see a yellow is a flower. Yeah, when you see yellow is a flower. Yeah, other trees are green. Yeah, guys, I'm taking you tour around here. So I'm going to show you down there how the maize is very great. Very great, guys. Yeah, very great. And I'm going to show you the tree which have a red color only here. A red color. Jomba. Buya mame. Buya kabisa mame. Bokere. Mame ya nondigo. Doche ni jobori. Jomba. Okay. So guys, look the maize here. This is the maize. The maize. You know, is the maize. The season is done to be maize season right now. You see, everyone have plant maize and the beans. Yes, right now you can see it's evergreen because it's rain season. It's rain season, guys. This is what is very amazing here in village. Very amazing tree, guys. And you see there is a bird there. Yeah, jumping. Yeah, so this is a very nice tree. Wow. I'm going to take you around there so that we can see. Is that which I look there in USA, or this is different? In Canada, this is different. Yeah. What is this, guys? Look how this tree is very amazing. This tree here is very amazing, guys. Look. Wow. And it has thorns. It has thorns. Yeah. So you can see how it looks. It looks very amazing. Very amazing. Yeah, very amazing, guys. Yes, so yeah, look. It's very nice. Very nice tree, guys. Yeah. As you can see. Wow. Very nice one. And it has thorns, guys. It has thorns. You know, here this tree is found here in my village, near to my home. Yeah, we call it in our local language Igisunche, guys. Very cool tree. Very cool tree. You see? Leaves is flower. Oh my God, what's up, guys? Jamaican boy here. Yeah, Jamaican boy here. If it's the first time, if it's your first time for you to enter in my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, share, enjoy, watch to the end. The video is very amazing, guys, here. Yeah, so everything is okay, everything is right. Yeah man, Jamaican boy, Africa, nice, no, yeah. You know, I was taking you around my village. Yeah, so let me go and do some cleanness there at home, cleaning my yards. As I have told you that the weather is not very bad today. I may found the place of taking shower. Maybe today we're going in our small river, just down here, but very dangerous. Yeah, and deep. Yeah, Juliet is here and her friend. Yeah man. So kindly, guys, what's up? Yeah, so we are here today. Yeah, welcome to my channel again. Yeah, Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah, I'm here just walking around. Yeah, my home, you know. It's have been a while. It's have been a while. Yeah, without me taking you around, you know. Let me take you around this point here. You know, guys. Yeah, you my good people, you know, you my good people. Good people from USA, from I don't know where, you know. Oh baby, la 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 la. Oh, I can't just say this, baby. You wanna kill me, my baby? I just wanna say this, baby. You wanna kill my destiny? Yeah, so, oh my God. When you hear the bird crying like that, it means, yeah, it has his chicks around. Yeah, the baby of bird. I don't know how can I call it. If you know the baby, if you know the baby of Risorokovo, how is it called? Me, I know is a chick. Is chick. Yeah, if you know a different name, you just comment there. Yeah, you can just write there and tell me, please, if you know the baby of the Risorokobo, this bird here. Let me show you the bird. Where is it? Oh my God, this here. This bird here. This bird here. This bird here. This bird here. If you know this bird here, yeah, it's crying because it has baby. It has baby in this tree here, but I don't know where is that baby. But what I know, it has its baby around this tree here. Yeah, so let me not disturb the bird. Yeah, let's show love for everything. Let's show love for everything. Let's show love, guys, for everything. Let's show love for everything. Let's show love for everything. Guys, yeah, you see? This tree here is very, very, very many, guys. You can see, yeah, my banana here, guys, as you can see, now it's ready. Now it's growing, just feeling well and nice. Yeah man. Oh my God, my banana here, it's look good. It's look very nice. Now it's look very green. Yeah, that it means the rain here now it's on. Everything is doing okay here. As you can see, wow. Now this my banana, I'm giving them just 3 months. 3 months. Yeah, I'm giving them just 3 months to remove the fruits. You see? Look, this big one here. Yeah, this is the big one here, but it's not mine. Another one is here for a different person too, and it's now I have started mine. Yeah, but it's going to be very huge, very big, because I believe this my place here. This my place here. It's very fertile. Yeah, it's very fertile. Yeah, so yeah, still the wind is blowing, guys. The wind is blowing. Yeah. Hiyo ni nini sasa? What's that? Hiyo ni nini?
Mashini.
Ya kufanya nini?
Ya kufuta.
Ya kufuta nini? He's enjoying. He's enjoying. This is my nephew called Maxwell. Max doing good. We are doing fine. Yes. I want just to start some manual work here. I want just to trim this my flower here. You know, it look very shaggy, very shaggy. So I want just to trim it. I want just to trim it so that it look very nice. I want just to trim this flower here. Yeah, you see how it look? Yeah, it's very healthy. The rain have rained. Yeah, it's very healthy, guys. The flower here, it's very healthy. One just to trim it. Crazy!
Tayari.
Yeah, yes. What's up, guys? Jamaican boy Africa here. Yeah, one just to clean this place and everything can be okay. Or you want entertainment? Guys? Dede. Nakupenda kama ringtone, hataki ringom, ana maringong kem. Ana maringong kem. Way. Yeah, man. Let's start to do some cleanness here. Ulika Maxi.
Njoo mrapa. Naenda kupata. Nini?
Wewe Kibonzo, njoo umsaidie huyo anaumwa na tumbo.
Kuna mwizi aje.
Baro kijana baro. And second. Yeah, so guys, you know, vibe is the vibe, you know, the vibe is very nice vibe. Only want to I caught you. Yeah. So anaenda wapi? Mulika huyu.
Anaangalia Brodiana.
Hey guys, you know now Maxi here, he wants me to eat. Tunakula na wewe?
Sisi tunakula.
Uongo.
Uliza basikeli. Mana hii mashina hii iende.
Good. We are taking breakfast here. Yeah. Siko karibu mulike chapo. Hawajaiona chapo. Guys, this is chapati here. And then we have maharage here.
Kila kitu my baby. Unajua moyo wangu. Kupenda watu wengi ukikuza. I like it. Tatu gali na papa.
Let me call you sweetie honey. Endelea hapo juu, hapo juu. Let me call you sweetie honey. Ujue. Mbona unajua tu sambaratisha moyo wangu. Ai. Yeah, this hii ni ya maziwa. Pause. Songa. Kuja karibu hapo. Yeah, so kindly guys, as you can see, it's very sunny. It's very sunny. It's very sunny, guys. So I'm cleaning the yard while drinking the tea, guys, as you can see. Yeah, a white tea. Today is a white tea. Waonyeshe white tea. Unaiona? Aya, so kindly guys, let me trim this flower here. After I finish trimming, I'm going to take bath. I'm going to take bath in the river there. Unaenda wapi? Nisipuite. Rudi nyuma. Haya. You know it must be amazing video here. Yeah, man. So thank you guys. We are about to departure. Yeah, to the river. Today I think we are going to the dam. Yeah, I think to the dam. And a very dangerous dam. And here, you know, I'm still at my home here, around my home. Weban! So we have to leave. Yeah, we have to leave. Yeah, today we are many, but others have gone. Yeah, on the way I'm with the Chris and the Max. But others have gone already there to take bath. So I have to join them, take the vibe. Then everything is good. Leave their sweet comment, guys. Kindly, yeah. Yeah, Jamaican Boy Africa. If it's the first time for you to hear that name, please kindly make sure you subscribe and you look up, man. Yeah, these are slasher, guys. You know, there is very dangerous, so I have to go with something which have to be protected myself. Yes. As you can see, we are on the way. Oh, on the way. Yeah, we are on the way. Kindly, they have said that, yeah, me too, I want to go. So I've decided to go with them, and the big ones. They are already there. Wametangulia, my big brothers, yeah, like C9 and the DJ Zone, they are there. Like now here you can see I'm with my two nephews and their friends. Yeah, my two nephews and their friends. As you can see, it's very bushy. Very bushy, guys. Look. Oh my God. Yeah, man. So kindly, guys. You know, when I reach in this point here, I realize that I am about to reach the place. What are you found inside there? Unataka nini hapo ndani? Kutafuta?
Matunda.
Eti matunda. Is matunda found inside there? Yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah, man. Here we are going. You can see there is a people inside here. Yeah, wanakusanya kuni. Wanasenya. Yeah, man. So kindly, guys, I'm here. Yeah, we are heading to. Yeah, you know, it's long time from the day I bathed in this river here, not the river, in this dam here. Yeah, I missed, and man, it's very far, and the others, they have already gone. What? So kindly, guys, yeah, make sure you watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing video here. Yeah, coming with Jamaican Boy Africa. Everything is okay. Hi my people from USA, from Jamaica, from everywhere, all over the world. I know you are doing all okay. Yeah, right now, as you can see, yeah, I have guessed them. You know, have to run so that I get sweat. Amuja fika. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, Jamaica. Yeah, Walland, bad man. Yeah, Jamaican boy here. Make sure guys you watch the video till the end. The video is very, very, very amazing. I love you, my people. I love you, my all people. My all supporter. You know, when you subscribe, you are my supporter. When you watch my video you to the end, you are my supporter. Don't scroll video, you are my supporter. Oh my God, yeah, everything is doing good. Everything is doing all right. Yeah. Yeah, so we have reached, guys. Guys, you have already reached. Look how they are very happy. They are very happy here, just washing and bathing themselves. Yeah, now right here, I'm here, just want to. Yeah, man.
Oh, man.
Ah, yes, man.
This is amazing, man. Oh,
Yeah, I can see you are just swimming
yo, man.
and feeling good.
Oh, I'm feeling good. The water is cold, man. This is amazing.
The water is very cold.
It's very cold. It's very cold.
Yeah, here kindly guys, as you can see, we have already reached here. Yeah, I'm with this and those ones here. Yeah, yes, very amazing. I can see. Bombastic. Yeah, man. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome to the party.
Yeah, to the party. This is our swimming, a big swimming pool. Yeah, a big swimming pool in our area. Yeah, man.
Big party.
Yeah, big
Also
party.
have my video going on there.
Yeah, your video is very going on here, guys. Yeah, as you can see, very nice
My
one.
channel name is Gichoro.
Gichoro.
Check out Gichoro.
Yeah, man.
And also you can introduce yourself at my channel here.
Yeah, man.
So that people can know the only.
Yeah. The only Jamaican boy in the village, Jamaican boy in Africa. Yeah, man. Go check out Jamaican boy Africa. If it's the first time to see this, I'm gonna introduce. I think we are going to introduce ourselves, and then.
Yeah,
Me with the Gichoro here, you know.
Yeah. man.
Yeah. Oh, you want to go till
I
there
want to go to with Zone.
with the zone?
Yeah.
Hey, guys. Hey.
Watch out.
Okay. So kindly guys, as you can see today I have a Marasta here, T9, DJ Zone is around, Gichoro is around.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, kindly guys, let's enjoy together. All of us, we are going to enjoy in this very big swimming pool. Big swimming pool. Wewe musitoe vitu zenu hapa saa hii. Musiingize huko vitu zenu. Kama hamuna suruali za kuogelea musubiri kwanza. Yeah, so kindly guys, look how the water is very many. The water is many right now. See, it's yeah. You know the rain have rain. The rain have rain. Guys, look, the water is very many.
Wonderful.
Look.
Guys, just check out. Guys. There you are. Okay.
We, hakuna kuingia na unaonyesha kitu hapo ndani. Acha. Haya, anza na huyo mwenye anaweka hapo.
Yeah. Amazon. Tuko kwa river. Big river, my friend, big river.
Yeah, what's up guys? Mulika. What's up guys? Here now want to, as you can see, I came and I get my friend here, my brother, and they are very enjoying. Now it's my time, guys. I want to inside there, you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim? This is very huge water than the last video. This is gonna to be amazing video than all video that I've made, alright? Yeah, so kindly just enjoy. Watch to the end. Don't suke the video. I mean, don't scroll. Yeah, man. Watch the video till the end here. As you can see, my friend are there. Yeah, today we are so many here. Pause, man. Play. Yeah, so kindly guys, let's enjoy swimming together. Let's enjoy. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I'm here with the Choro guys. Yeah, my very friend a friend of mine.
Yeah.
Very a friend of mine, Gichoro.
Yeah, in fact, this is like my blood brother.
Yeah, man. So today we are here, just want to swim, just want to enjoy.
Cool.
To the end, guys. Okay, come.
We are enjoying and we are in the village.
Come. We are in the village.
But we enjoy.
Imagine this is a very big swimming pool in our area, yeah?
Yeah. One day you have to come to Pirambo.
I want to go. Yeah, imagine baridi, guys. Hello. Come, ona. Come. Ona. Hey. Hi guys, at the village. This is how we are coming to see. So, very good. Oh my God. Ungekuja na yangu sasa. Yes.
Hi.
Yeah, we still
Watch this.
Watch this. It's amazing.
What's off your side? I got
Shika. Wavute. Shika.
Young Jamaican boy, I'm here.
Ingia nao.
Kana simu kwa maji.
Ndio
vizuri.
Yeah, so kindly people, please support. Comment there if these are beautiful. Is this our swimming pool so beautiful, or the water is dirty? This water is not dirty, guys. The water is very nice. Very clean, and we enjoy very much.
Toa kichwa hapo Max. Ama kaa.
Kuja. Yeah man, so right now as you can see, we are very happy, enjoying swimming, enjoying everything with my friend here. My brother T9 is here. Yeah. And my brother Zon is here. Yeah, Mr. Gichoro Ezekiel is a YouTuber. He's here. And we are here just enjoying together. Yeah, just celebrating. Woo! Wow, going to my yeah, man. Yeah, man. The water.
Nimeshaanza.
Oh guys. Hi guys.
Katika msitu wa stuko.
Hey. Kuogelea ni kazi ngumu sana. Ngoja niweke hii kamera hapo. Leta nifunge hii hapa. Hello. Yeah man. So kindly guys, we are here just enjoying the video. Yeah, enjoy the video while we are enjoying to swim. I'm here with the zone. Yeah man. Makini mkono mmoja tu. Okay guys, so what's up guys? Yeah, let's show love by subscribe please. If you are new in this channel, Jamaican Boy Africa, please kindly show love by subscribing, show love by watching to the end. Everything you do there like is to show love, you know. Yeah, and let me say sorry for all Jamaicans, yeah, who they were attacked by a storm, alright? Yeah, they attacked by the storm. I'm saying sorry to you, our people from upload there. You know you are our people, guys. We really love you. The way you are supporting us, we really enjoy the way you watch our video. You really make us to feel very happy, guys. Yeah, man, my brother. My customer, you can see in the building. Yo, in the lake. I'm zone. Hey, maji imetosha bro. Hey Max, tushindane kuingia chini.
Sawa.
Shindane.
Zote mtangaje taraingia.
Yeah, it's my.
Yes. Woo!
Maya maji yanagandisha mdomo.
Woo! Hey!
Takishepu makadai. Takishepu hiyo wewe.
Ew. Yes. Woo! So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the end. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Yes, Kichora, I can see you have already. Yeah, you have already.
I was feeling like I'm breathing.
Oh, you
yeah.
are freezing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was more.
Woo, so kind of guys here, you see. Yeah. There are children here, they want to enjoy swimming. What is this? Your name? Moba. Oh, yeah, inaitwaje kwa English?
Mushroom.
We are doing English.
African meat, natural meat.
African natural meat.
Yeah.
You know, guys, you guys.
The
You know to dance.
the activity of today. The activity of showering today is over.
It's over.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm going to contact the water again.
So guys, here, you know we have come to enjoy. This is our enjoyable place. Yeah.
We're having fun.
A very huge dam.
You see, there's something here.
Unaangalia wimbo usije kakura sabuni. Kura sabuni mbona tunakutana sana.
Hello. So guys, you know, if you swim, you have to bath using the soap. Because this water here is very dirty, you know. When you can't wash using this one, and you must have the oil of applying to the body after finish to swim in this very dirty water here. But it's very enjoyable water. You see, it's very many water. Have you ever swim in this in such dam like this? Very huge one and amazing. Yeah, let's take shower. Let's now sukura this body here, guys, so that it can look very nice. Yeah.
Kwambo kako huko. Yeah. Kwambo kasi yako huko. Kwambo kako huko. Mravinga vya vitabiwi. Subiliane kwanza.
Yo, digaga yangu iko wapi?
Ni one.
You know, after applying soap like this, you have to end the water. Not that such doing this way. No. Water.
On the go.
Yeah, that's what
Max, mlikuja na mafuta?
Siangalia kwa bagi mbona kama yako. Anajiri bati baonga ni pevya tuzile zangu. Ngenipea hata zile zako nikuje nazo.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Zo kati zionje maji ya lirambo mu. Maji safi murona hapa.
So kindly guys, I think you are enjoying the video. Stay tuned. Stay tuned kindly. We are here. We have enjoyed with our friend, with our brother here. Yeah, I think now it's time for just resting and just drying. Hey guys. Mulika naona out.
Sasa nioge mara ngapi?
Hiyo ni yenu mlikuja nayo mafuta? Yetu?
Yeah, we are applying what we call oil.
Applying.
Yeah, oil. Today activity of showering is over. I'm not oily. You're what?
Oil.
You're oil. Oil. Cooking oil. Kujipaka oil.
Yes.
Yeah, man. You know good.
Yeah, no.
You now look good. We have already swimmed. Some have swim. Some have taken shower. But for me, I've already taken shower. I'm good now. I feel fresh. You know, this body needs dehydration. Water is life. We have to drink water. We have to take bath with water. This is the blessing that God gave us. This is the natural blessing. You see, we enjoy ourselves here. Nothing more. We are just having fun here with our friends, brothers here and there. You see, yeah. So here we are. We've been swimming all over like some hours now. Me, Jamaican boy, Zone here, T9, and me Gichoro here. I'm also a content creator, but right now I have 413 subscribers. Yeah, so show love. If you are from Jamaican boy channel, go to my YouTube channel, Gichoro, Gichoro. Subscribe. Say I'm from Jamaican boy, and if you are also from Gichoro, go to Jamaican boy YouTube channel, subscribe. And if you are watching Jamaican boy and haven't subscribed, subscribe to Jamaican boy, share, spread love, tell a friend, subscribe to Jamaican boy, Gichoro, and everybody will be happy, guys. So we are so happy to everybody who has been tuned in to Jamaican boy YouTube channel. Support him fully. He's a good guy. He's a true Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Even if he doesn't have the dreadlock, the Rasta soul is in the heart.
Yeah, in the heart.
The Jamaican boy fully, not even halfway. Fully.
Fully. And show love. Watch the videos in the end.
Yeah. Spread love.
Yeah, spread
Show
love.
Here we are.
You see?
Brothers. Yeah.
Yeah, brothers with the Rasta.
This is a logo. Yeah. You see?
They really tell me that, yeah, you are Rasta, you look like a Jamaica. Why you found in Africa? I don't know a thing like that, you know.
Have you ever told them that you also had dreadlocks?
Yeah, I have a dreadlocks.
Yeah.
I don't want to show that my dreadlock too.
to them.
because it's too early, guys.
It's too early.
You will really admire it. I don't want.
You want to surprise?
Yeah, I'm waiting a day
Yeah.
so that I can surprise them. Yeah.
One time.
Yes,
Big
one
surprise.
time.
Yeah.
You see here is very, the water here is very cool.
Yeah. You know, even me,
cool.
I used to hear that there's a river here.
Yeah.
I never came here.
You never came here?
Today was the first day coming here.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I was wondering like, wow.
Yeah?
Wow, yeah. You see, it was the first time, but I was hearing that there's a river there.
Yeah.
But when I came, I didn't believe that there's another river here.
Okay.
There's another one in Nyabohanse. I don't know if you've ever seen it, Kwirambo.
Yeah, for Nyabohanse, I've ever got there. I've never.
You will go there one day, but it is very dangerous.
Okay. Very dangerous.
It is 4 times like this.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
And
Okay.
in the deepness, nobody has never known the deepness of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but this one I see, it is not that much dangerous.
Yeah, it's not much dangerous, but it's danger. But because there is a day I came here, and the past there is a way behind there. I come out a big snake.
A very big
A
snake.
very big
A
snake.
python.
Yeah, python. Yeah. And you see that man there is fishing.
Yeah, he's fishing.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. He's he has to be silent, very silent.
Yeah, very silent. Because when they're swimming here, all fish are running to that point.
Yeah.
Yeah, to
One
that
day, I
point
think
there.
one day we'll come to fish with the net.
Yeah, one day we'll come with the net here.
Yeah. We'll come to fish here with the net
Yeah,
one day.
with the net.
You know,
Wacheni kupiga umbwa bwana. Pige umbwa.
like when we go this direction with the net, you can collect a lot of fish.
Yeah, we can collect a lot.
It is
A lot. Yes.
So here we are with our brother T9.
Yeah,
here.
T9 is here behind the camera.
Yeah, this is the cameraman.
The cameraman, was behind the camera. Yeah, you see, he have a tattoo, guys. You know, a tattoo is a very handsome. You know, when a guy you have a tattoo is it looks very handsome. You know, and then you see the murujurus here, guys. Yeah, very nice.
If you know, you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know. Yeah, man. So we are here. Let's just end this video in this point, guys. Kindly let me say that thank you for watching to this end, and God bless you, my good people, our good supporter. You know, you are our good people.
Much love.
Yeah, you are blessed by God, guys. Yeah, and let's say much love. Let's show love. Thank you, and welcome again to the next video. And the next video, I promise you, it's gonna be a very nice video.
Super
very
cool.
wonderful, very cool. And please make sure don't scroll the video while watching. Watch, and when you watch, please, if it's the first time to come on this channel, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell, leave the sweet comment, like
The bell.
everything is okay. All right, bye people.
Blessings.
Good people, together. Umesave ama umepause?
Bado inaendelea.
Okay.
Bye.
Poop.